Have you ever had anyone say, let's catch up soon, I'll call you next week, or I'd love to work together, and then crickets. No follow-up, no message, just silence. And maybe you wondered, did I take that too seriously? You didn't. They just didn't mean what they said. Hey beautiful soul, welcome back to the Awaken with Love and Rise with Pure Joy podcast for heart-led leaders, visionaries and soul-aligned entrepreneurs ready to live, lead and rise with clarity, integrity and deep inner truth. I'm Katie Joy, founder of theglobalbutterfly.com, an intuitive strategist and award-winning mentor for soul-aligned success. And in today's short but powerful episode, I want to speak to something that quietly chips away at your trust, your energy, and your ability to manifest what you truly desire. Saying things you don't mean, and how often it's being done in the name of being nice. So if you've ever felt disappointed, confused, or even gaslit when someone broke their word, or if you want to walk in deeper alignment with your own word, your own energy, and your own leadership, stay with me. This is for you. Here's the thing. Words are energy. They create contracts, spoken or unspoken. And when you say something like, let's catch up, just to be polite, but never follow through, you're emitting a frequency you don't intend to honor. That creates distortion. It breaks trust with yourself and others. It weakens your field. Every time you do this, or have it done to you, something subtle but very real shifts in your nervous system, your relationships, and your momentum. It chips away at self-trust because deep down, your system knows you didn't mean it. It erodes others' trust. Even if they don't tell you, it clutters your energetic field with unfinished threads that block your clarity. Now, most people don't mean to be deceptive. They're trying to be agreeable. They've been taught that it's better to say something polite than something true. But here's the thing. Politeness without honesty is just manipulation with a smile. If you're someone who values clarity and alignment, you feel it when someone's words don't match their energy. You notice the disconnect because you actually mean what you say. You follow through. Your word is your bond. You mean what you say. You honor your word like it matters because it does. So if you've ever been told, you're too intense, you take things too literally, you're too much. Let me say this clearly. You are not too much. You are clear. You are anchored. You are rare. And your energy calls others into alignment without even trying. And if you're listening and thinking, oh wow, I've said things and I didn't follow through, oops, welcome to the human club. This isn't about shame. It's about awareness and alignment. You can clean it up. You can close the loop. You can raise your frequency by choosing to simply speak the truth. You can raise your frequency and only promise what you actually intend to deliver. Because when your words, your energy, and your actions are in harmony, you become magnetic. You trust yourself more, and others trust you too. If this message landed for you, you'll love my free training, Mastering Your Journey, the GGA Journaling Workshop. It's where I guide you through a transformative process to build energetic coherence, deepen your self-trust, and move into soul-aligned action without the burnout. Head to the link below in the show notes, or if you're listening, it's theglobalbutterfly.com/GGA-workshop-registration-page. Yep, it's a little long, so check the show notes and click the link down below. You can watch it for free now. I'm Katie Joy, and you, my dear soul, you're not meant to perform politeness. You were born to speak clearly, to live honestly, and to rise with pure joy. Until next time, keep shining and keep aligning. From my heart to yours, with lots of love, light, and manifesting miracles, magic and more. Bye for now.